how to set mailbox behaviors for drafts, sent, deleted, and archive mailbox for iCloud Mail on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from Settings, tap on the Apple account name. Next, we go down and tap on iCloud. Then tap on the CO button. Here, tap on iCloud Mail. From here, we scroll down and tap on Mailbox Behaviors. In Mailbox Behaviors, you can tap on Drafts Mailbox, and from here you can change the folder. So by default it is set to Drafts on my iPhone, so I can change it to a different folder. If you want additional folders on the mail server, you can create one. Okay, so that's for Drafts Mailbox. You can also change the behavior for Sent Mailbox. Here, by default, it is set to send messages on the server. I can set it to my local device on my iPhone, to the Sent folder, or to a different folder. The same goes for Deleted Mailbox. You can go in here on for this settings, it is set to on my iPhone trash bin. I can set it to shopping, or I can create a separate trash folder. And lastly is the archive mailbox. Here you can also change the archive mailbox to on my iPhone archive on the server inbox. You can't do that. You can't set it. You can set it to send messages, but you can set it to your own custom folder that you create on the server. And that's it. So that is how you can change your iCloud mailbox behaviors on iPhone. After your changes, make sure you tap on the accept button at the top here to save the changes. And finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.